In any apartment building, the clubhouse and pool are more than just amenities. They are the heart of your community and the first thing a prospect sees on a tour. When these areas look and smell premium, it validates a resident's decision to live there. At State, we've spent decades helping property managers master that guest experience. In the fitness center, the priority is protection for your equipment and your residents. We use the Fragrance Cube family for consistent, programmable scenting that keeps the air fresh. For the equipment, NDC and Triple Quick clean and disinfect in one step without damaging sensitive surfaces. We pair that with Gentle Fresh Sanitizer, which is an alcohol-free foaming sanitizer to keep residents safe and supplied. The restroom experience is often where a property's reputation is won or lost. We reduce your daily maintenance with magic mats to control splashes. In the sinks, Soap Factory Pro dispenses Gentle Fresh, or one of our other premium formulas that tell your residents you haven't cut corners on quality. Finally, we have outdoor areas with the pool and grills. To protect your investment from sun, salt, and chlorine, we use Ecolution Pro Cleaner Degreaser on the decks and Ready Clean Cleaner Degreaser for outdoor furniture. We keep ladders and metal surfaces shining with Ready Clean stainless steel wipes and use Champ to quickly remove rust and scale from tiles. When it comes to the grills, Degrease cuts through baked-on carbon in minutes, while Triple Quick ensures every surface is sanitized and ready for the next cookout. At State, our programs are built to enhance the guest experience while making your maintenance routine simpler. Stop overpaying for retail fixes and start using a program built for your building. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to see how we can simplify your maintenance today.